Hi, I'm Sean Keef. I run sales enablement for Skybox Security, and here's a demonstration video covering path analysis. One of the most important and interesting things you can do with the network map is path analysis. Path analysis is the discovery of the access paths between a single or multiple sources and destinations. This technology is over 10 years old and very mature. Skybox is able to support advanced enterprise networks containing things like load balancing, MPLS, public and private clouds, and even multiple layers of network and port address translation. Accurate analysis results do depend on a fully populated network model containing configuration and routing tables from all the relevant devices. Missing devices and routing tables can produce erroneous results. In Skybox, path analysis is performed by the Access Analyzer feature in the network map of Network Assurance or Vulnerability Control. We'll start by choosing a source and a destination right from the network map. All is a possible destination and is very useful in queries like what internal systems can be reached from the internet or the DMZ. I'm going to choose the Finance Unix WS network as my source. Then I'll choose the DB or database network as my destination. When I click the Access Query tab in the lower left part of the screen, the source and destination can be seen filling in the search parameters. Choosing the Analysis button at the bottom will perform the query. Once the query is done calculating, you'll see results at the top of the screen. In this case, there's a message informing us that no access exists between the source and the destination. If we choose blocked destinations from the pull-down, we can get additional information. In the upper pane, we now see the top location for our destination network US. Expand the triangle for US and then New York to see the destination network database. If we expand DB, we get the network range available in the DB network, and expanding the network range gives us the protocols we searched for, which was any. Clicking on the Any Internet Protocol line will show us the path, both visually and textually. When doing a demo, it's often beneficial to clean up the screen right here. I'll hide the Access Query pane to the left and the Analysis Results pane at the top of the page. This just leaves the text and graphical path analysis results. Text on the left, graphical on the right. At the top of the text portion, you can see a small box labeled Routes. If there were multiple routes from the source to the destination, they could all be seen by paging through each route using the arrows in this box. At detail level, it's typically beneficial to use Display All Blocking Rules and Show Routing Rules. In the text portion of the analysis results, I can see the routing rules that allow access. These are represented by thicker network lines in the graphical results. Also on the left, I can see the ACL rules that are allowing or blocking access. If I click on one of those, the ACL with the highlighted rule will pop up on my screen. So in the demo, it's easy to see and conclude that our requested path is routable from end to end, but it can't be traversed due to the lack of an appropriate rule on our prod firewall. In summary, Access Analyzer demonstrates the ability for Skybox to do path analysis. This technology is an important cornerstone that forms the basis for several other features and use cases within Skybox. Network assurance zone-to-zone access policies are an automated method for comparing path analysis results against a policy that describes what should or should not be allowed for that route. Vulnerability Controls Attack Simulator uses path analysis results in an automated fashion also to determine if a threat origin is able to compromise a host over a certain route in the network. Demonstrating path analysis is an important step to helping customers understand these and other use cases. Thank you for watching this video demonstration of path analysis. Please visit our website for additional videos and resources.